So welcome back everybody, and as you can see, I was looking at the end of the last session. I was looking for this trade idea on EURUSD, and if we go into EURUSD, you can see that it took a little bit of time. It would have taken a break-even trade, but after that, our safe buys above these highs would have been played out for more than 20 pips. Furthermore, if we were looking at our GJ trade idea, the main one was buys above this area, and you can see that it played out for around 50-60 pips, and then slowly facing the rejection that we were looking at from this morning. If you remember, I was highlighting these possible same highs for a rejection, this area. You can see that price rejected again the next PPL, and is now on its way on the downside. So you can see that price gave us a full correction. This is a 15 pip correction, retest of the PPL, and further 18 pip correction on the downside. So of course now where are we bouncing? We are bouncing at the same level as before, but the trend on the lower time frame is quite bearish. If you can see over here on EURUSD, you can see that the price reacted exactly at the same highs. So let's see on the lower time frame. As you can see, it reacted at the same exact highs. This was with the news, I remember, during the morning. Yeah, for the PMIs, bounce from there, and then probably a rejection. Now we can expect a possible pullback to this and to any of these PSA, and then a continuation up. We can see the continuation up, or we can see that the price is actually correcting and falling. If it breaks below these lows, then we can expect a possible correction of this whole overall move. So as you can see, this one was the trade ideas of the morning, and now these are the basic trade idea that we might see on this lower time frame price action. Of course, now on the lower time frame, I will use something like this to understand it better. I don't really want to have it like as it is. This one is useless, and of course I would only want buys above there, probably some high risk high reward sells. See, I was almost buying, and yes. Okay, so GJ, as you can see, bounced again from the same lows. So there's a lot of volume. That's a good thing. Now we're into New York, absolutely. Let's have a look on gold. Yeah, gold again. This was the trade idea of the buys above this level. We can see that it gave another bounce, and above this area, above these PSAs, that's where the price is moving now. I mean, we're talking about 13 pips. I don't know what's wrong with gold. Gold is very not volatile. Okay. So just having a quick look. Today it's a Tuesday. We're not expecting, building permits might show some information about the economy. It's a medium impact, and I would think that it will only affect those if the difference is quite large. That's the main thing. If the difference is quite large, then we might see affecting the market. Otherwise, we have some CPI of Canadian. Usually does not really affect too much the USD. If you're trading, of course, USD CAD, we can just put it over there. That's for sure one thing that's going to be affected quite a lot. Okay. Oh, there's no spread. What about the commissions? Okay. Oh. Zero spread on UCAD. That's interesting. While if I do that, it's €3. Yeah, a little bit less. Same spread as EU. Yeah, that's interesting. That's interesting, I would say. And USD. Zero spread as well. Wow. Yeah, a little bit more of commissions. GBP USD. Wow. I didn't know that it was a zero spread move, zero spread pair. I don't know how it moves on the high time frame, because now this one follows gold quite a lot, follows oil quite a lot. So if I wanted to just say, okay, let's see my trade ideas, like this, or below these lows, bam. Okay, let's go on the hourly. On the hourly, we have this PSA that is 100% a valid one. Done. Okay, then so that's why we can see liquidity being grabbed. These lows, bam. What's going to be the reaction on the lower time frame now in 20 minutes? Okay, just wanted to monitor that just for curiosity's sake. Now remember that of course we have New York, and it's okay that in a week, this is the last 4 days of work for the year, and from next week I'm going to do videos and sort of review and planning. So review of the overall year and planning ahead of time. This week is not about reviewing. This is about still pushing. I will go through all these in the last week of December, but not today, not this week. This week, as I said, is still a action week. That's what I want. That I'm telling it to myself. I'm saying that to myself. So that's really yeah, just about that. Okay. Good. Yeah, you can see how the trade ideas were playing out. After seeing this bearish move being corrected, we got the bounce from the 1093. You can see perfectly. We had our first entry about 10 pips above that. This is the only entry that you can get with a buy limit, but that you play on the high time frame. You place it over here, and then you bet that it continues. As we were saying, these are main trade ideas on the high time frame. On the lower time frame, we could have got some pip on the downside, but I'm not going to really risk it for the biscuit. This is a very lower time frame area. We have this trend line based on the lower time frame, so I will not be shocked if it doesn't give us any significant reaction, as it did in this area, because it is not like I was looking at some relevant pivot area like this one. If we want to go on GJ, you can see that price bounced again from this area, and as I was saying, I mean, on the hourly it's not really too much, but yeah, if we zoom out, you can see that it's the same area that we were looking at throughout the session. Yeah, this is the hourly. If I drop down to the like 15 minute, yeah, so as you can see, this was the area that we were highlighting, and yeah, that's where we saw now a nice bounce, I would say, double bottom and continuation up. I would like to say that it is a trade that I can take. I tend to talk about this setup when the price is going down. At a relevant PSA, makes a double bottom, and then retraces, retests the area, and then pushes up. It's something that I still cannot trade, but I used to see it with the entry over there. Well, especially now, that's a pain in the ass. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Okay. I just multiplied it. Bam, bam. Okay. And yeah, we actually, with that in mind, you see that we add these. So double bottom, retesting the over here. That's at 20 pips. Break above, retest of PPL and this previous PSA. For now, it's about 10 pips. If you had an entry over there, but yeah, possibly moving forward. On GJ, I will be looking for safe buys above this area. I don't like that. Yeah, we got this price action very close. The safest will be, of course, above the PPL, because this PPL is above the actual, is above this high time frame area of interest. And yeah, sells for now will only be below these lows, especially after seeing this double bottom reaction, how relevant that might be. So it's going to be interesting. Nice to see. If I see it afterwards, I can see it quite clearly, but otherwise I will miss it most of the times. And let me just reduce it a bit, because maybe I am a little bit too loud. This is, of course, I'm showing you Euro USD 1414. Yeah, for now the breakout trade would have been possible, at least at break even, or maybe even going to a win. GBP USD, well, it's an interesting thing that is a zero spread. Can be something that I can use as a scalping wise. The only thing, I will need, of course, to study a little bit. Of course, the fundamentals are there. For example, tomorrow we are going to have GBP, the GBP CPI. So that might be a good moment to possibly better to trade over here. That is a zero spread rather than GJ, because GJ has quite a little bit of a spread, and I don't like that. And USD JPY and USD JPY, well, is a zero spread as well. That's awesome. So yeah, that's a good thing, because I didn't know about that. If I have one lot, is like a USD card, right? Yes. GPUSD, it's a little bit more expensive than, for example, Euro USD. But that might be a good thing if I want to trade if I want to trade this. Okay, now on GJ, if I wanted to do this, to copy on the PPLs and place them over here, and if I do something that is quite crazy, okay, because GJ is a little bit, okay, go down, go down, go down, go down, okay. So now, if I want to have it at 500, okay. Okay, let's see if it's working. If I go back on the hourly, am I covering? Okay, of course, this is just GJs, but well, I'm covering quite a bit. Okay, not too much, but so on the 4 hour. If I go on the weekly, okay, I'm just covering the eyes basically, rather than, okay, so maybe I will put it lower. Bam. Let's see if I can just do it even from here. What I want is an 800. Okay. Okay. Not too shabby. Now I will fine tune that. Okay. Okay, yeah, I know I'm losing some time, but that's what I tend to do. So UJ trend line, I don't care. Okay, text, and what else? Rectangle. And ellipse. Now what? Arrow. Now what? Okay, so now we are left with just this. And so yeah, I think that's basically for the time being we are good to go. Yeah, I don't think that, I mean, we can drag them down. Okay. And so I want this to be 500, 800. Yes. Okay. Okay. So now we should be safe. Of course we have a hole, but yeah. Okay, now this is wrong. These are wrong. Okay. Anyway, these ones are good, but these ones are wrong. Okay, so now if I want to do that, uh, 800, I have to go to 0. Two hundred, 500, 800. Okay, let's see if I can a little bit lower. Okay. Awesome. Bam. Bam. So this is actually perfect. I'm covering a lot of them. Now we just drop on the 1 minute. This is the hourly. We drop on the 20 ticks. And these are the PPLs for USD JPY. As we said, is a zero spread basically. GBP USD is a zero spread as well. So in this case, with this pair, we can take advantage of the actual GBP and JPY price action. The only thing is that they are not related. So they are related to USD. So overall, if we go now, let's avoid too many distractions. But overall, if we go over here, wow, dollar got weak, so weak. But is possibly retesting these lows and then continuation down. Okay, this is the power. Now possibly if it continues down, that's where we are going to see the buys. And if we're going over here, we open a new tab with Euro USD. And I want to, for example, okay, let's say that I want to compare with GBP USD from Rwanda. And I want to compare with USD JPY from Rwanda. Okay, so pin it to the right scale, to a new right scale. Okay, so of course, what I wanted to see, so if I use Euro USD as line, okay. So with the GBP USD in Euro USD are more or less a little bit following the same path. I mean, this is in percentage. So of course, maybe Euro lost more than GBP because GBP is a little bit stronger, but as you can see that they basically move the same. So there's not much of a difference. Why should I trade GBP USD? USD JPY, yeah, of course, it's not even the opposite. So this USD JPY might be a good way to trade the yen. I might also add, let's see if we add Euro JPY. How does it work? Euro JPY. How can I hide? Okay. Euro JPY is, wow, is as much as, of course, USD JPY. So there is no, but does it have better commission than USD JPY? So let's go. And I want to open Euro JPY. Okay, and I want to go to 20 ticks. Okay, there's a little bit of a spread. Oh, no, okay, there's not a spread. If one lot is exactly as Euro, and if I have these and I do that, I don't know where the price is, huh? Okay, oh wow, we are here at the top. Okay, didn't I just block it? But no, I thought I blocked it. Okay. Yeah, it's absolutely the same. Yeah. GBP, yeah, star, yeah, USD, Euro USD, USD, JPY has less spread, which is good. But yeah, might be a good thing to trade. I want to look this with the tomorrow compared to the GBP JPY, but it's still related to the USD. So that's something that is not really what I want. If I want to trade another pair that is not related to the USD, but yeah, this one might allow for the same thing as gold, for example, as a Euro USD. GBP USD, let's see throughout the move of today. Yeah, it moved quite nicely, but it moves on the weakness of the USD at 10.11. What happened at 10.11 on Euro USD? Oh, happened nothing. Okay, today happened nothing. On GBP, today it was breaking above. Okay, wow. So today it was moving nicely, 10.11, while Euro USD was stuck. Here it was moving nicely. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, the thing is that it moves like okay, now there's a little bit of spread, and I don't like these spikes. Also Euro USD is having this spread because we have some news now, so probably, yeah, that's the reason. Same thing. But yeah, we might be worthwhile to monitor that. Might be worth. Now let's see. USD card is having the CPI release now. Okay, well, strong movement. Affected a little bit of Euro USD as well. GB USD. Wow. And did it affect gold as well? Gold a little bit. What was the actual? Okay, it was increasing. Staying stagnant more than increasing. Yeah, they thought that it would decrease. Instead, it stayed exactly the same. Oh, yeah. So, CAD, of course, rates higher for longer. So that's the narrative. GBP/USD bounce from the trend line. EUR/USD might bounce from the trend line as well. GJ staying over there. UJ, yeah, got reacted at these highs. I don't want to add too much at my daily monitoring thing because I don't want to get confused quite a lot, too much, I would say. So I will just monitor those in order to understand better about the possible spreads, about what is the best pair to trade GBP JPY, for example, because it's they are not following. Since I want something that is not following the actual USD. I want something detached from that. You can see that this one would have worked. Anyway, yeah. Also, this one is mightly work, but this trend line is completely arbitrary. As you can see, yeah, does not make any sense. Okay. So as what we were saying on GJ, these are the trade ideas. Okay, and Euro USD, we're waiting for these possible ideas. Okay. Now we are already retesting this area, which is this one. I don't know about this one, where it is. It's yeah, this one is this eyes, right? Yeah, this one over there. Okay. There's still a little bit of spread that I don't like. Anyway, let's monitor our pairs. So DJ bounced again from the PPL. We might have a break above this area. This was also a nice retest of this trend line. This one, 1, 2, and then connected with this one. This one was actually a good possible high risk high reward trade idea. Euro USD is in this range, and the gold is not really appealing me too much. And yeah, I don't even like, yeah, the spread, no, spread is less than 1 pip, but still facing this rejection, so not really looking forward to anything. This is a double bottom. Let's see if now this is the possible trade idea that I was talking about. Pew, pew. Breaking above these eyes. Let's see, just for the sake of curiosity. Euro USD, GJ, as you can see, from this high, from these lows, pushed already basically 20 pips. Let's see if now we have enough volume for it to break above the PPL. Wow, very super volume. Might get a retest of the PPL to take the possible continuation up. And yeah, for example, UJ is doing the same thing, is breaking above with this possible trade idea with a zero spread. Basically, this could be a better thing, because okay, 2.5 pips is about there. Okay, the TP would be, yeah, the TP would be right at the key level, at the PPL. So yeah, I was showing you UJ, which did the same pre-SA, but let's go to GJ. GJ is possibly now retesting the PPL, but also might dig deeper and retest this last area before continuing up. Let's not forget where the price is reacting at, because yeah, as you can see, it's bouncing from the PPL, but is facing this PPL rejection. So I would love a 0.0, yeah, strong confirmation of bias. This was a nice possible trade idea, I have to admit. Yeah. GJ will be at stop loss. UJ, sorry, GPUSD moving. Yeah, I don't really need to. Yeah, I just need to embrace the spread on GJ and the fact that it's its own beast. Euro USD is possibly bouncing from this area. Now, of course, we are 20 minutes away from the new 4-hour. We might get a nice break and retest of these highs to at least retest these ones. this entry over here will be at least 8 pips, so at least break even will be. And looks like there's some nice volume, some nice movement through the pairs, so the volume is still there. I don't like this 0 point something spread. I don't want it. I want the 0 pips spread. Gold so far made a double bottom, failed to break above, so no real entry. This is giving us a possible high risk high reward sells below these lows to at least possibly revisit this one, but you can have a lot of rejection in this area. Of course, I would love to see some breakout above these highs for the continuation. Euro USD is slowly creeping above this PSA. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now it's slowly making its way up. I don't like that there's this spread. For me, it's super suspicious. GJ is possibly giving this retest. This is one of the things that I really find more difficult to do, because after seeing too many these many candles, I tend to really not trust the retest. But let's see how it plays out. Euro USD might be giving us the first high risk high reward trade idea. There's some spread that is not good. This is not good with my tight setup. Gold is still in this range. Yeah, no other reports are expected for today. So okay, so as you can see, we avoided a loss with the not so convincing breakout attempt. Gold is still bound in this range. GJ still not at those lows. We know that there are better market conditions to trade with, so there is no real reason to push a trade now, especially in the last week. And yeah, we can see that GJ broke below these lows, so we saw that the pullback was too strong after failing to hold above the PPL, so it was better to stay out of it, and we don't know where the correction might go to. Here on Euro USD, we might be finding some sort of support at this last area compared to the old ones, at these last highs, before continuing up, but yeah, that's not up to us. Gold is there, not moving. Let's see if I want to see the dollar. Is it facing some? Yeah, so far is bounding in this range. Is facing some rejection, some whipsaws. Is in the middle of this range. It's not really moving too good. Yeah, Bitcoin is facing this rejection as well. And yeah, this is this one. Okay. So for now, it's not really showing us any strength. And let's see. Gold is slowly moving its way down, but yeah, not really any playable range for me. Okay, so far the markets are ranging and not giving us much price action, much anything to work with. For example, you can see that Euro USD is back into the range. Now, of course, we will need stronger breaks above to give us any trade idea. There is no really need to take any high risk, high reward sells over there. I mean, unless we see some dollar weakness breaking below these lows. Sorry, some dollar strength. Can I do this? Why can am I blind or? So, yeah. If we get weakness below these lows, then we might see continuation buys. Otherwise, if we see the continuation above here, we might see some strength in the dollar coming into these lows. So far, it looks like that the dollar weakness is holding more weight, and I'm going to want to really look at this price action, what happens. DJ bounced from the trend line again. If I was a trend line trader, that would have been a good idea. So far, Euro USD facing a rejection, gold as well back into the range, not giving us anything relevant to work with today. Bam, 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 bam. Yeah, so far is everything just quite boring. Okay, Euro USD. Let's see if dollar breaks below these lows. We might see this continuation on Euro USD finally in the last 50 minutes of the 4-hour candle. This is a possible buy stop situation where you place a buy stop over there, especially if the price makes this price action, make a new higher low, and then breaks above. We might not see a retest because liquidity was already grabbed over there. So in this case, that's when we will see a buy stop being very, very useful. Now let's see if that's exactly what is going to happen. Yeah, we said that we don't have anything. Building permits, yeah, were bad. So those might have given some, but this one were good. So that was a mixed data. Yeah, nothing really showing one-sided volatility. GJ might be slowly chugging away on the downside, facing another time again this rejection. We might see some stronger and deeper pullback, and we might see some sells below these lows if we see the volume increasing, if we see this trend line being respected, if we see a wedge being created. That's where we can see at least to target these previous lows. So that's a possibility. Okay, Euro USD after doing this, as I said, made a new low, chugging away. Now we might be seeing a possible push up. I would take an entry if we retest these lows, and dollar might be breaking below these lows. So that's the bet I'm playing, that it breaks below and yeah, dips a little bit lower. I don't know if that would have been a good entry, or we can have a better one, waiting for a clear breakout, maybe after the new 4-hour. But yeah, it's quite weak, the price action. It's not really what I want, what I would love to see when entering. So far we're still staying at this low. This is exactly what I was expecting so far. Okay, now let's see. Very, very slow volume, so not really forcing anything. Let's see if this was the trade idea. But so far, it doesn't look like that there's enough energy for the price. Dollar is still facing this rejection. I don't know what they are talking about. Yeah, they're being quite annoying, I would say. So. Anyway, let's see if it breaks below. Because this one is not updating. These motherfuckers 100% are not updated. Yeah, as you can see, we got a bounce again. And now this new 50-minute might be closing below. So, yeah, I don't care. Okay, yeah, this one is fucked up again. Yeah, close. Okay, this is on gold. Okay, I do this. That's okay. So now we can close these. We can close these. We can close these. And yeah, this one as well. This one. Okay, so let's see. Let's see if dollar is going to break below. So far, this entry, as you can see, is very, very choppy, very not really the volume that you would love as a scalper. Again, high risk, high reward are these buys, and you would want to see the dollar breaking below these lows at the same time. GJ is still in the range, not really doing much, so nothing to look at. And gold the same, is in the middle of the range. We are possibly seeing with the new 4 hour a dollar spec down, which will bring some Euro USD buys, but so far is not really. I mean, will probably be the new 4 hour volume that is going to bring that. Possibly GJ breaking below this wedge. USD is still failing to break above. Let's go. Let's see. Looks like that the morning gave us some better scalps, some better market to trade. Sorry. This one's still over here. Yeah, 3 minutes to the new 4 hour. So we need to be careful and need to observe. Okay. Oh, looks like that dollar is breaking below. Yeah, it's at these lows. And let's see if it breaks. Gold pushing up again, yeah, as well. GJ is at this wedge, so we might be creating that situation where a good sell stop below here can be a good trade idea, because you might just spike down. Euro USD Still facing this rejection, but this is exactly what I was saying. Price might find still, as you can see, is not making new lower lows. So that's where we might be accumulating some buy side liquidity at this area for the price to spike up, especially now with the new 4-hour that is happening in 2 minutes. That's where the magic might be take place, you know. So here, so let's see. This is also a situation of where a buy stop can be a good idea. Think that the range are quite small, and 10 pip would be to make a new high, to break above, immediately above the daily highs. That's quite a bet. Oh yeah, we are 1 minute away from the new 4-hour. We still have 1 hour left with New York Stock Exchange open as well. So no real, there's no real hurry for anything. So let's see. Yeah, these are to make trade ideas, to be grateful. Okay. Okay, new 4-hour. So far, the bounce of the PPL, the touch of the PPL has been a bounce more than a sell area. So that's that might be something to take into consideration, especially if we see that the price is now breaking above these highs. Okay, now we are in the new 4-hour, right? Yes, we're just now in the new 4-hour. Let's see any volume coming in. Gold is again is stuck in this range. Dollar is opening higher. We might have found some liquidity to push higher, but yeah, to go to these lows is 5 pips. And the gold, yeah, gold again face another rejection. So far, no trade ideas doing throughout the New York session. DJs, as I was saying, might have found some buys and liquidity over here, grabbing that liquidity from those lows. Yeah, found this liquidity, now bounce again, found the PPL. Of course, I would love to see it breaking above these highs and the PPL for it to continue bullish. But I mean, is this PPL? It's not really anything particular. Euro USD possibly is giving us a very high risk high reward back into the range trade idea. It's not something that I really would love to trade, I would say. This retest on to the downside. Yeah, because we still have this strong rejection on the dollar. Yeah, as well. Pound broke above. Pound yen broke above these highs, which might give us the super high risk high reward trade entry, but it will be necessary to break above the PPL to even get a break even. So I'm not really sure. I'm not really trusting this volume. Euro USD, as you can see, little fake out, lower wick on the hourly, so no need to rush any entry. And let's see now if we can have our continuation above, especially if we see dollar now breaking below these lows. Yeah, as you can see also, I mean, GJ is not doing nothing. Yeah, it's back into the range. Gold not moving. GJ went back into the range. So yeah, all these trade ideas are good. It's better not to touch GJ in the middle over here. Just wait above this area, wait for the safest entries that we highlighted. So of course above this area, above these buys or below these lows, possible sells. So yeah, face this rejection. So that's absolutely okay. Such a low volume time. After that, the morning move, that's okay. This might be the liquidity grab on the new 4 hour before pushing down. So we might see a break and retest of these lows. Yes, and here on Euro USD, we might still be looking for, might still be placing a buy stop over there, 2.5 pips. And yeah, 5 pips is the thing. That's basically the trade idea. Okay, while on gold, yeah, basically the gold is the same idea. So that's also why I don't want multiple pairs with the USD at the end, because they all move in the same way. Okay, so now at the same time we have a GJ possibly breaking below these lows. We have Euro USD possibly breaking above these highs. So want to keep the high, an eye out. GJ is moving quite nicely today, so we might see even just a retest of these last lows. So it's can be an interesting trade idea. I want to see now on Euro USD. This would have been my buy stop triggered, but I want to see if it can give me this price action. Okay, are you going back into the range? GJ went back into the range. Possibly is simply retesting this last PSA, yeah? Can be. Before pushing down. Euro USD pushed correctly completely, so not giving me any sign of anything good. We might see a bounce from the trend line for possible continuation up, and GJ simply faked out from this PSA. So good not to enter. Very sketchy markets and not really trustable yet. So let's see. Gold might be now pushing above these highs after a deeper pullback with a new 4 hour. Might be pushing up. Let's see if there's enough volume. Euro USD is still not moving. We might be seeing these trade ideas now playing out. That was this one. But I'm not trusting not even gold to do the amount of pips required from my TP. So okay, GJ. I don't know where I found some support. Now there's some nice candles. Now these are some nice candles. What I just told you about gold, yeah, it's just dog shit. And GJ is finding some nice volume. Another bounce from the key level from the PPL. So not really giving us any interpretation of what is the market going, where is the market going to go. And Euro USD now retesting this last low, yes, but and possibly still with this trend line, but quite sketchy price action, I would say. So that, yeah, this is the ultimate confirmation that today is better to wait when the price, not to be, I don't need to be the first one to take this entry over here for the price to go up. I can just, okay, I see the price is going up, I see that the buyers are pushing it up, so I will take advantage now. I will grab my piece, and that's it. No need to force any super high risk high reward trade entry, as you can see, and no need to do that because it's a very slow day where anything can, you can push back up and down and not doing anything. Dollar, yeah, still is bing bang bing, so not really giving us any sign. As you can see, we got a further retest of these lows. This is a good day for the traders that trade the ranges, not the trends. So that's it. Still bouncing from this area, not giving us any sign of anything. Okay, so now we might be seeing again dollar pushing down. We see now the price action happening on gold, on USD, for example. Yeah, the buy stop would have been a loss. I forgot to mention because it's something that I only tend to see when I miss out on wins. So this one on GJ looks like what happened earlier this morning with the bounce from this price action and price structure. Gold still in the range. Dollar, yeah, going back to these lows again. I want to see a nice candle and a nice retest. GJ is very tempting. I have to say that it's tempting, but I don't know if I can trust it. Can I trust it? GJ, can I trust you? Just at least to go to 10 pips. Just go to 10 pips. Let's see. So far would have been okay. Let's see. Euro USD back into the range, and I just keep placing this one higher and higher because the price action is so dog shit that it's not almost not even worth it staying and looking at it. But since I want to have experience, to make further experience on the markets, I want to stay here. I want dollar to break below these lows, please. And yeah, so let's see if we can manage to break above and get a retest of this area. Very slow, but we can have easily a 10 pip hourly candle just to retest these previous highs with a New York Stock Exchange volume, hopefully. Okay, now we might break above. Also on gold, we are doing this price action. Here, there is no entry yet. On gold, this might be an entry. Yeah, we saw the retest of this area. EURUSD still not breaking above. GJ, the further retest will be up 4 pips, not even, because with the spread I would have entered over there. So let's see if that's the idea. But today I saw things. I saw through the London session, so it's not really, I don't need to force anything. That's it. Okay, so as you can see, GJ showing me that I should have entered. Price will be now at break even. The TP will be above there. And I could have called a day already with a 8% win. But yeah, I saw it. I said, okay, it's going to happen the same of the morning. I also got a second chance over here, but still not entering because I think in my head I'm still only watching the markets today, not really taking trades. So that's why I'm not in a boom, boom, boom price action, and I'm not in that mood. But of course, if we break above this PPL, we might see some nice push above. Yes, but I don't really want to have this. I know that that's okay, but on the hourly, on the lower time frame is simply just affecting me. So now let's see the further price action above this PPL, for example. If we can get this one, or if finally EURUSD is breaking above. Let's see, where is, yeah, here is pushing down. Also, yeah, I'm obviously looking at GJ. GJ would be at break even, but yeah, this PPL might be a tough opponent, but I should have been already in and taking a break-even trade if that was the case. But yeah, that was for sure a missed entry. Is gold still pushing up? Yeah, but how much? 9 pips, 8 pips. Wow, it's a lot. Your USD is still stuck. GJ will be basically back to the entry. So you can see facing this rejection at this PPL. I mean, we knew that it was a strong PSA, but the fact that it was okay. mean, as I said, we knew that it was a strong PSA, but not really. Where are we? What is this? Okay, we are over here. Yeah, we probably use this PPL as a reference more than that. Yeah, this one, so this one would be a break-even trade. And that's okay. That's why I always say that, okay, if at least you have a range, enough range to get a break-even trade, that's okay, because now you're risk-free. The point is, if you are trading, entering over here where you have only 6 pips of range, and that's not risk-free trade. Gold bounced again. Now we are 10 minutes away from New York Stock Exchange opening. Okay, still stuck in this range. GJ corrected, and now let's see if it has enough volume now, grabbing liquidity from these highs. Let's see. Grabbing enough liquidity from these highs to probably possibly pushing down below. Yeah, grabbing liquidity at this hourly time frame to possibly now push below these lows with some more confidence now, with some more sell side liquidity. And yeah, we are approaching in 9 minutes the New York Stock Exchange. Yeah, gold, as I said, is still stuck in this range, so not really worthwhile. Dollar still in the middle of that range. We might see now some more volume, some push up on the Euro USD. Let's see if we can get some momentum going, some nice junky candles to push and yeah, make new highs. Yeah, you can see we're stuck in a 5 pip range. And yeah, so of course the best will be above this hourly high. We have enough range. Let's see if we can get to there at least. Yeah, is it there? Yeah, it's the 96.89, 96.89. Yeah, it is basically this area. Of course, this is not a breakout candle. Okay, now we're talking about some nice candles. Okay, Dollar is pushing down. Now let's see if we can get a nice retest. And then with the New York Stock Exchange volume, we can continue pushing up. So this might have been a high risk, high reward entry, might be. Dollar is pushing up. Yeah. Okay. What are we retesting? Are we retesting this PSA again? No. Oof. Yeah, that's quite crazy. This price action is quite crazy to think about. I mean, it's just one pip of spread of drawdown would have been not much. Yeah, now pushing up. Let's see. I want to be focused. 5 minutes to New York Stock Exchange. Wow, this correction. I don't like this rejection at all. It really looks like that it's. Okay. Yeah, nice push down. Okay. So at least we are, as you can see, we are avoiding unnecessary struggles, drawdown, losses, because we know that the price action today is not as ideal. And we can leave another day. Tomorrow we have more news. We have the CPI at early New York, early London, which we're going to trade. So there's no need. I mean, I know we missed today's London session, but not tomorrow. Okay. So what are you telling me, your USD? You're telling me that you don't want to go anywhere, or if you want to go somewhere, it's going to be very slow, right? So you tested the trend line. Should I enter with you with this trend line, boss? Tell me something. I'm listening. Okay, now you're pushing. So now this trend line would have been okay. You told me to draw this trend line, but I don't know if I should have entered it at there, or maybe would I got the retest of these lows. Now what are you telling me? I mean that these eyes, I mean with such a strong possible resistance, this is a possible really buy stop area where price could push up. Otherwise, yeah, okay, GJ is now breaking below these lows. and breaking below the PPL. We might get a retest of this area before pushing down. Euro USD might be retesting this level, but I mean the range is not really what I want, and the volume is not really the strong thing that I want. So I will probably wait for New York Stock Exchange open on the USD pair, and let's see on GJ. I will be testing the PPL and these lows for possible continuation down. Big spread, I would say. Spread, it's 1 pip. And the timing is quite sketchy. Yeah, also on Euro USD. Yeah. Basically, almost New York Stock Exchange open. Euro USD gave another retest of this area, but it's really sucks. This might be a buy, but what do I trust? What am I trusting? I mean, am I just playing games and just trying to grab a trade? So now let's see with the New York Stock Exchange open. I am being myself. I have to be honest and we'll need to go to the bathroom, but yeah. Hopefully we get something more above this area. This area is really irrelevant anymore now. I know that there's this price action, but I mean we will be basically at break even, and yeah, so this end will be 2.5 pips, and we are now New York Stock Exchange opening, possibly pushing back down before continuing up. Yeah, like it did on gold. Good thing we waited on GJ because it failed to break below these lows. So good thing that the timing was there. Now let's see if it is actually breaking above, or is it going to face this rejection and then push down. Euro USD got still have this bounce over there, but yeah, should I sell GJ? Just sell over there? Wow, look at this range. This range is so small, especially if you think about how it was moving this morning. Yeah, so I'll just take it for okay. You missed out on the good moves today. That's fine. Yeah, Euro USD back at these lows. Now, of course, I would only want to see above these highs. If we break above this high, we might get a retest of these last highs. Depends on how it goes there. And yeah, otherwise, I can happily not take anything. It's really just can be a discipline building day. Not really panicking. This one look like a possible for the retest. This one, yes, but anyway, we're going to see. DJ, when I said that we could buy, yeah, we could sell, sorry. I mean, it needs to go below this PPL in order to be at break even. So it's not something that's so easy with this volume. So not really forcing anything. Dollar is in this range. As I said, tomorrow we have some nice. Tomorrow we have CPI, producer price index of the GBP in the early morning. And we also have we have the consumer confidence late in the afternoon on the USD pair during the New York. So tomorrow is going to be an early but interesting session, absolutely. Okay, still very, very indecisive price action. So I will go now to the bathroom. Yeah, so gold bouncing in this range, up and down, up and down. Okay. Now we might have this New York Stock Exchange double bottom. Bam, bing, bam, bing. We can see some price action now to these highs, to the 2034 again. Yeah, this is not due to USD because it's you can see that on Euro USD it's not moving. Gold is moving quite nicely. We might see a retest of this area and then continue up to these highs. Yes, that's what I'm seeing. Euro USD, no volume, no movement, no nothing. So not really looking at it for any. I mean, now we could have seen this as a retest already, but I mean, we're talking about very small range. So it's not going to be any FOMO or anything. But it was nice, would have been nice to see it live, this bigger retest. GJ bounced again from the PPL. So showing us that so far there isn't anything. There's not going anywhere, not down, not up. Yeah, it would be a 12 pip range as it did over here. Gold so might be slowing down to push up. Euro USD, okay, this candle that was there actually reversed and flipped and possibly now going bullish, but I mean, I don't know why. I mean, I will wait above these highs because that's when it's going to break below these lows. So that's the only trade idea that I can see. I might not even have been doing my trading session. Oh, nice volume now. Okay. I like these candles. I like those. We like those. Are you pushing down? Yeah, looks like that. We are pushing down, hopefully below these lows. Nah, let's go. Push below. Push below. Okay, nice. Okay, so I want this volume to stay consistent. Now, okay, so as you can see, yeah, gold would have given us a nice push up. Now let's see about Euro USD. Nice. Do we have any news? Okay, Fed. We're making good progress. So this is bringing a US weakness, which can give us that push that we were looking for. Okay. So we might take an early buy over here. Yes, okay, we are in. We are in a stop loss. No. Tell me we're not in a stop loss. This would be something that I will not like. This might have been an impulsive decision. What I didn't think is that I wanted to, we are so close to this rejection, so at these highs we can see an easy bounce and rejection to these lows before continuing up. So I really hope that, yeah, I hope that this is the stop and then it continues down. But I hope that this is the day, but I'm not really sure. Yeah. Damn it. I'm so stupid. I can't believe it. I can't risk 2% on these stupid things. $2.9 pips even. 2.6. Why did I take the buy at a resistance? Damn it, I'm so stupid. The moment I press buy, I say, okay, yeah, I know that was stupid. And this was FOMO. Wow, FOMO gold. This was gold FOMO, totally, 100%. Yeah, good job. I mean, I know that we are at a strong resistance and I cannot wait for a few minutes. I waited all this time and I cannot wait for a few minutes to see a clear breakout. That is crazy. And wow, okay. Now, let's see if DJ has enough juice to break below these lows. Let's see if now dollar, yeah, had a little bit of a pullback. Also, yeah, dollar did fail to break below these lows. So why am I entering? If we are at the same PSA. God damn it. Yeah, loss. Fuck off. Freaking fuck off. Freaking hell. Shit. You. Shit. 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 1, 2. Shit. 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 So now let's see if GJ is going to push down and give us the second opportunity for the day. Gold pushing up. That was so stupid because you see, wow, I don't use that, and in the right moment I see that and oh yeah, use this the weakness, yeah, let's take an early buy. But I'm waiting for this price action. I'm waiting for this to happen. I know that there's a strong freaking resistance. Why am I not waiting for the price to break above? I mean, I've been waiting throughout the whole session, throughout all this bullshit price action that moved in 5 pips, and then I see this and say, yeah, down from here, price is going up. Yeah, why? Tell me why. Why can I not wait 5 more minutes to understand better the price action? I also was showing the wrong screen. Yeah, that's great. Phenomenal. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, this was the price action. And let me stay here, and then I take this candle. After this candle, this freaking smaller candle, yeah, that's from there it will push up. Yeah, for sure. Vaffanculo. Now let's see. I lost a bullet. Why? Now I could have waited 5 more minutes to see now a real break retest of this area and a possible continuation. This is the high risk high reward and also the safest, I would say. That's where I should use my bullet for Euro USD today. Now are you not even giving me the setup? GJ gave me the setup. Let's see if he is pushing down. Dollar should be continue pushing down. Let's see if this kind of flips. Yeah, not liking it so far. Let me enter. Freaking hell. That's so stupid by me. So stupid. So stupid. I'm pissed off. Absolutely, I'm disappointed for myself. That's not what you do in these cases. Gold now is pushing up. Now gold is moving with nice volume. 40 pips, yeah, 43. I had this idea after seeing the double bottom, but yeah. Let me wait for something else. Let me wait for I don't know what. When I have this retest a couple of times. Yeah. So whatever. Let's see now if we have a further push up on Euro USD. Crazy. Okay, I'll use my second bullet of the day. Will I? Or am I going to be stuck? Am I going to paralyze? Gold is moving. What am I doing? I just need to take the trade. Yeah, I just need to take the trade. This entry. Almost at break even already. Yeah, GJ not giving us anything. Yeah, look, if I only had this shot. If I didn't waste it as a noob. Yeah, I'll keep pushing. 20 pips. Yeah, gold moved nicely. It's moved already 70 pips from our entry point. After seeing double bottom and New York Stock Exchange, understanding this price action, I say, yeah, double bottom and continuation up. I wanted the perfect retest, but it didn't happen. I didn't see that it was retesting the same high, but yeah. Now this, my entry is going to be, for sure it's going to be a win, 100%. I can guarantee you that this is going to be a win. But the thing is that I don't have the same conviction when I'm actually in a trade. Okay, around there. We'll be already at break even, just to be honest with you. 100% this will go to the TP, 100%. I can guarantee you that. Gold pushing up, that's okay. Okay. Gold keeps pushing up. 30 more pips. Now the gold is the one volatile, is the one moving, and I'm not taking advantage of it. Why? I don't know. Miss this. Okay, this I can miss. This I don't know where to enter. That's okay. No entry. This entry, 30 pips. Easy. Where are we on the hourly? Look here, this was a PSA. Ping pong. Now we're retesting this area. Okay. Still chugging away. 100% is going to be into the TP. 100%. What was I waiting for? What was I waiting for? To somebody to click the mouse for me? To somebody to click the mouse for me? That's what I was waiting for? Tell me, I was waiting for that? Looks like that, yeah, if somebody doesn't click the mouse for me, I'm not taking the trade. Yeah, nice volatility also on GJ. This one for sure will be a winning trade. Still spiking up and down on GJ. Yeah, just want to be sure about that. I was here. 10 pips. I knew that. I knew that. I knew that. And gold, yeah. Oh, it's going to retest this area. I said that. Didn't I say that it's going to retest this area? Yes, I said that. But did I take the entry? No. So what's fucking wrong with me? Okay, so this is from the yeah, the one from the 18. What was on the 18? Okay. Here. And this is from the 19. Okay. Okay,
So as you can see, for the bounce now is nice volume. I don't want to look at gold. I just let at Euro USD, and like a kid. You see now GJ is breaking below. It's a very nice range to play on the downside. Let's see, Euro USD 15 pips already. Okay, yeah, 15 pips. 13 is going to 15. Yeah, this is 15. Let's show the world how to miss out on the best trade and take the most shittiest one after a long time. Also, look at this entry. Will it be a winning trade? Yeah, the trade that I missed would have been after not complaining. If I didn't complain, I missed this and enter this one. Bam, 10 pips. That's it. But no, Stefano, no. Stefano needs to complain, and cry. This is just to show that it will go to 15 pips, basically. Let's see if it goes taps the key level. And yeah, USD card. I wanted to see how, after the news, we got a pullback and then continuation down. Okay. How is gold doing? Yeah, back to the range to range. Absolutely. Bam. This was my entry that I was talking about. 23. Yeah, we need to have a little bit of a spike, but at least we will be at break even. This one will be a second win. Not a second win, but a missed entry. If I miss the first one. But no. Remember, Stefano has to complain, to cry, and not to take the second opportunities. Yeah, good. That's how you do it, no? I'm 100% sure about that. That's how you do it. And GJ is giving us a second chance, might giving us a second chance, but I'm not going to take it because now I'm pissed off. I will take it based on frustration and not based on anything. Is now USD bouncing from these lows. We will have some possible continuation above if we see further dollar weakness. You see, it was exactly range to range. And I didn't take advantage a single time. Why? Because I entered sells here. I entered exactly at this rejection. That's crazy. Boom. Such a stupid freaking... Oh, it's actually doing what I wanted, what I was possibly expecting to do, no? Oh, also GJ was looking at what I was expecting to do, no? Oh, nice. And gold? Oh, gold is still at his eyes. Nice. That's nice, no? Isn't it nice? Look. Bam. %, this one is going to tap these eyes again before pushing down. Not 100%, but yeah, because now you see that we are facing this high time frame area, this strong previous PSA. I had too many things over here. Yeah. Trend line. What does this?
Trend line, use this. Two. Okay. Okay, let's see. Gold pushing up. As I said, oh wow, is it doing what I said? Interesting, huh? It's very interesting. And then we look at GJ. I said, okay, is it giving us a second chance? Oh, is it giving us a second chance? 13 pips. This will be already at break even. Anything else? Anything else to talk about? This is 26 pips. TP is about there. So, do you see weakness in buyers? I don't see. Yes. Yeah. Let's talk about gold. This is about GJ. 15 pips. This will be around there for 15 pips to be. Oh, okay. Okay. So that's what we are talking about. We're about a 20 pip. Okay. Okay. No, that's fine. No, don't worry. Don't worry about that. What about gold? Oopsie. Gold got rejected. Yeah. Nice. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow.